Today, let me show you what we do and what we can offer. We are a professional manufacturer focusing on heavy-duty gears and industrial gearbox solutions, especially for high-end applications like wind power. We are capable of supporting large-scale projects, including wind turbine system from 3 MW 20 MW, full coverage of onshore and offshore projects, where performance and reliability are absolutely critical. Our strength lies in full process manufacturing. From raw material selection to forging, machining, heat treatment, grinding, and final inspection, every step is completed under strict control. This ensures that every gear we deliver meets demanding technical requirements. We don't just supply products, we provide complete transmission solutions for customers working in complex and harsh environments. Whether it's high torque, low speed, or long-term continuous operation, our products are designed to perform reliably. With solid engineering experience and strict quality control, we help our customers reduce risk and improve equipment stability in real-world applications. If you're looking for a reliable gear manufacturer or industrial gearbox supplier, feel free to contact us. Have questions or want to know more? Leave a comment below.